I decided to slightly change the Magic Manager interface to add new functionality related to creating a panel along a curve. This makes the interface smaller, takes up less screen space, and can accommodate significantly more options. Creating a panel on a surface is the same as before. Simply select any surface and press the Refresh Selection button. Using the buttons, you can customize the panel to a certain extent. A panel between two walls is created in the same way as before. Simply select the two surfaces while holding down the left Ctrl key and then press the Refresh Selection button. You can then adjust the panel to some extent. There are also no changes when it comes to creating a panel from vertices. To create a panel from vertices, you first need to enable the Selection Observer, which saves the selected vertices and also assists in selecting them. This is a great convenience because often there's no direct access to a vertex to select it. Simply select an edge or surface close to a given vertex, and the observer will automatically select the closest vertex. If you make a mistake, you can remove the last selected vertex from the list. When selecting vertices, pay attention to their order and the first selected vertex, which acts as an anchor that influences the position of the entire panel and also determines the thickness of the target panel. Vertices should also be selected in such an order that they form an edge around them. Once the vertices are selected correctly, simply press the Create button. Creating a sketch from vertices is a new feature added for creating a panel along a curve. Since creating a panel along a curve requires specifying a sketch, I decided to streamline the sketch creation process. Drawing a sketch in some difficult-to-access areas requires considerable time and the creation of external geometry to achieve precision. In this case, the entire process is lightning fast and precise. Simply enable the selection observer and select edges or surfaces around a given vertex one by one, as in the previous example. Pay attention to the first selected vertex, which serves as the anchor for the entire sketch, and also make sure the selected vertices form edge around the place you want to have sketch created. At the end, press the Create button. Creating a panel along a curve is also a new feature. If you already have a sketch, creating a panel along a curve is trivial. Simply enable the selection observer and first select the sketch. This can be done in the object tree or by directly clicking on any edge of the sketch, which speeds up and simplifies the entire process. Then, select the edges along which the sketch will grow. And finally press the Create button. The edges that make up the curve can be selected on multiple panels of different types. Because the panel along the curve creates a sub-shape binder object with all its edges as a reference point. This eliminates the hassle of reference points to different objects, and the panel becomes, in a sense, independent, making it easier to manage such a panel during further design. When creating a panel along a curve, attributes related to its dimensions are added to the newly created panel, allowing for easy reading and inclusion in the cut list. These dimensions are not parametric by default, meaning they do not follow changes in the panel's size. However, this allows for the manual addition of a certain margin for such a panel and easy reflection in the cut list.